All right, guys, we got a 2007 Acura TL Type S running a Tsudo system, bolt on, all up there, cats back here, resonator, single, and a Wise out in these two mufflers. The name of the kit's on the side right here. Coming out the back, dual tips. Looks real good with the red and the blue. Yeah, we'll let you guys hear it. Like, comment, and subscribe. That's not bad. Hit 97 a second ago. All right, go ahead and back it out. That's not bad. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Perfect pipe is. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. Full kit with high flow cat. Again, rev it hard. Yeah, that sounds good. You know, once the mufflers break in a little bit more, it gets a little bit louder. It'll be about 30%. But if you want it louder, we can chop the resonator off too. So drive it for a week or so, see how you like it. If you want it louder, we can always make it louder. Full system with high flow cat. Yeah.